We're the Janowskiettes,
and we'll be doing
random dancings in the park when it's raining. It's not really bad rain, but it's a bit light rain.
Shocking news. I have sort of spray dyed my hair. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like pink. I guess it's only spray, but if you think I should like dye it permanently, leave comments below. Yeah, so here we go. Alright.
Sing in the rain, yeah, let's sing in the rain. Ah! Oops, maybe not try that. I'm singing in the rain.
Tell me when you're done.
Alright, I'm gonna try and spin around as fast as I can without falling. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Ready?
Yeah.
Back to the ditch, back to the ditch. Under the ditch, back to the ditch, back to the ditch. Bitch. I'll go for it. What?
Hi, we're the Janowskiettes,
and we just did that video.
and I hope you liked it. Subscribe.
Oh yeah, subscribe.
And comments down there.
So remember, if you like my hair color in this video, make sure you
Make sure
tell
you
me
like
about it.
about that hair, man.
This is only spray, but hopefully I'll permanent dye it on school holidays. We love you, Bo. We love you, Jay. Bye.
Bye.